AI video generation is evolving at an incredible pace. Haiper AI has released a new version 2.0 of their tool, bringing some impressive upgrades. Haiper 2.0 not only enhances text-to-video, image-to-video, and video-to-video capabilities, but it also introduces unique new features. Now you can swap faces in popular meme videos, morph yourself into animals, and even create interactions like hugging between two images. Today, we're diving deep into all these features and seeing how they perform in real time. Let's start by taking a look at Haiper 2.0's interface. As you scroll down, you'll notice several new templates designed to make content creation even more fun and dynamic. We'll be testing each of these templates throughout the video. But first, let's go over the primary model updates, starting with text-to-video generation. Haiper 2.0 offers two models here, the latest Haiper 2.0 model and the previous one. I'll select the latest model and start with a simple text prompt like Will Smith eating spaghetti. There's also a handy Enhance button that adds more detail to the prompt automatically. Let's enable that and hit the Create button. Haiper provides some free credits for testing, which is always appreciated. Here's the result. Let me know in the comments what you think of the quality. The video resolution on Haiper AI is 720 pixels, but you can upscale it to 1080 pixels using Haiper AI's built-in video enhancer tool. After generating a video, download it to your device, then upload it to the video enhancer to improve the resolution. Here's another text-to-video example I tried on Haiper AI without enabling the enhanced prompt feature. The prompt I used was the famous Sora Lady prompt. Next up, we have the image-to-video feature. This tool allows you to upload an image and create a short video with it. You can input a prompt and select the Enhance Prompt option for added details. Currently, it supports only one-frame uploads, but multi-frame options are set to launch soon. Here's the video I created from the uploaded image. Now let's test the video-to-video transformation. This feature lets you select specific regions within a video to stylize or modify. For example, I can select the main subject or the background and change their appearance. While this feature is quite powerful, it can be hit or miss. Moving on to the fun elements, Haiper 2.0 includes templates where you can swap faces in popular meme videos. There's also a template that lets you make characters hug or kiss each other. Previously, this was a bit tricky to do, but Haiper AI makes it very easy. Another fun template allows you to turn a person into an animal like a cat or a dog. Haiper 2.0 has expanded its capabilities, bringing new possibilities to AI video creation with various templates for fun, interactive content. From transforming characters and adding expressions to creating social media-friendly animations, it has something for everyone interested in dynamic video creation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and insights, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.